Well, here we go. We've already started staking and stacking all these. See, we're putting these big lag bolts into the wood. So see, these things are about oh, that's 6, about 12 inches long. So we're spiking all of these so this wall don't go anywhere, even if a lot of gravel and stuff was to slip, it'll still be sitting there. So now what I got to do is I got this up onto my concrete here, and you see it's already been spiked on that one. Now I'll run through here all along this rail here 5 high, and as we come to each one of these posts here, I'm going to cut these out and add that style, that 6x6 on top for the support to hold this roof. So keep up, I'll show you more. Okay, so what we do now is really good. Then the way we're going to set these anchors, like so. The day's coming to a close. This is 6 beams high, go nowhere, over to here, and then from the